Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I am taping for the first time in about a week and a half. I've had my girls. It was a blast. I am ready to get back into taping and we're going to start with the Vellabox. So let's get into it and check it out. Vellabox is an Artisan candle subscription. Each month they work with a different candle maker that makes artisan candles, and they are clean, which is my favorite part about them. I mean, they smell good, they look pretty, but I love that they're putting fewer toxins in the air. This is the box. This comes inside another box, so it is well protected. Each month you will get your candle. There are 3 sizes you can choose from, and you will have a bonus item. This is sent to me for review, but because we reviewed on the channel, they have given us a code, and it is Catherine50, and with that you will get 50% off your first box, regardless of which size you choose, which is such a good deal. I love, it's always fun now. I mean, it was fun before, but I love that they have gone to the canvas bags. They always come in these nice little dual-stringed canvas bags. They used to be just kind of canvas colored, and lately they've always been designs or a color. I love that. And then we also have, ooh, wonder what this is. It is our bonus item. And on the top, we always have, it's a pretty picture, and they always do a Spotify. This is Good Intentions, and you can just beep that with your scanner and get onto Spotify and hear the playlist. Oh, I missed it. We also have our paperwork at the bottom that tells us a little bit about our bonus product and our candle. Our bonus product is the corduroy zipper bag from Vellabox. They say it has a $12 value, a multi-purpose essential bag. Use it for cosmetic storage, purse or tote bag organization, travel, or more. We created this with a neutral corduroy fabric to complement other bags you may carry it in. It is just a sweet little beige-ish corduroy bag. It is branded Vellabox. I would say it is about the exact same size, give or take, of an Ipsy bag. Has a nice zipper pull, and the inside is lined. So it's just a nice, sweet little bag. Okay, let's dig into the candle because, let's be frank, we're here for the candle. This month's canvas bag looks and feels mostly, almost always feels kind of, but mostly feels like denim. Can you see that it has a very denim-y look? I love that. You guys know I love to put like Lush bath bombs in these and then toss it in a drawer or hang it in my closet. Sometimes I'll take it like this and put a hanger through it before I hang the hanger, and it makes like that sweater particularly scented. I love the drawstring bags. I love these and I love the Ipsy ones. I'm gonna miss those Ipsy ones because that is absolutely what I use them for. I have them everywhere. My candle is Wax Crescent, that's the brand, white tea and ginger. That is amazing. I burn these constantly. I have one that I burn up here. I've moved into spring. This is, I think, just last month. It is the Sage in Bloom, Fig Tree, and Freesia. It smells so spring. It's gorgeous. So the one I had up here before had more of a fall wintry scent, and I have moved into spring, which I suspect white tea and ginger is going to do too. So let's see if it smells of anything other than white tea and ginger. I smell the ginger. No, I guess that is tea. That is gorgeous. I don't know whether I could pick out if, like, I didn't know anything about this and you handed it to me and said, hey, what do you think this smells like? I definitely would have gotten the ginger. I'm not sure I would have gotten the tea. Maybe a little lemon. Let's see what the paperwork says. I prefer their opinion. For Wax Crescent founder Kim, lighting a candle is a ritual. The first thing that she does every morning to start the day in an intentional way. It signifies that I am creating a sacred space for myself and taking time to move into my day thoughtfully and with purpose. She began creating her own candles in 2017 with pure ingredients, a much cleaner version than the candles she had previously been burning. The white tea and ginger is considered an herbal, sweet, and spice. I completely agree. I absolutely get the herbal in it. A bright, calming scent that will instantly take you to that place of relaxation. Put your feet up and let your mind relax. And they say it is mandarin, bergamot, ginger, jasmine, white tea, and saffron. I have no idea what saffron would taste like. I do kind of get that blend of florals, but with the ginger, a little bit of the tea. I suspect that's the green herbally scent that I have. This is gorgeous. This is going downstairs for another burst of spring. I'm trying to usher in spring. We Have you guys had just the weirdest winter going into spring season? Well, actually, our entire winter was bizarre. We basically got no snow. We usually have, I mean, not a lot of snow, but a good amount of snow. We got basically none. A few flakes here and there, nothing. And now we're heading into spring and it's like 30, 68, 38, 72. I mean, every day. I like the weather. I watch the weather, but I've never been the type of person that would be like, okay, I'm getting ready to get dressed. Let me turn on the weather and see what it is. You have to do that. Today is a sweater day. Tomorrow it's going to be a t-shirt day, maybe even a tank top day. It is crazy. All of that to say, I'm moving into spring. I think today, I'm taping this on Monday. I think today, this evening, is when spring begins. That is gorgeous. I love that. White tea and ginger, and the company is Wax Crescent. This is what it looks like. It's generally what they always look like. This one was also clear with the white. I'll put some cards at the end of this so you can see what they look like other times. Sometimes they're brown and have a gold lid or a gunmetal lid. They mix it up. But the main beauty of them is they're clean. So I don't want to drop names. It's Bath & Body Works. But their candles are scented lovely, and I cannot say that I've given them up completely. I burn candles in several rooms of my house, sometimes all at the same time. Yeah, it's a situation. So I do still use them. Nowhere near as much as I used to. Matter of fact, very, very rarely. Okay, very rarely. But I love knowing that moving to these, like I had my girls last week, and if I wanted to light a candle, I knew that I was not putting all of those toxins in the air. We had several of those 30 and 40 degree days last week. We were shut in. The last thing I wanted to do was add phthalates and paraffin wax. But with these, I knew that I could burn them, and that wouldn't be the case. They work with a new artisan each month, but all of the artisans have to follow the rules. I will put their link and my code Catherine50 below, which will get you 50% off your first candle. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here, and I hope you have a fantastic evening. Bye, guys.